100 causes that invite illness and poverty into a home. An Islamic perspective. What if I told you that sickness and poverty do not come randomly? Islam teaches us that our actions, habits, and spiritual neglect can silently invite illness and financial hardship into our homes. Today, you will discover 100 powerful Islamic reasons that bring disease and poverty, and how awareness can change everything. Neglecting daily prayers removes Allah's protection from the home. Delaying Salah without valid reason invites spiritual weakness and stress. Not reciting the Quran regularly deprives the heart of healing. Abandoning Fajr prayer causes loss of Barakah in health and wealth. Disrespecting parents leads to both poverty and long-term illness. Breaking family ties cuts off divine mercy and sustenance. Lying frequently removes trust and blessings from life. Consuming haram income poisons both body and soul. Cheating in business destroys Rizq provision. Being ungrateful for blessings causes them to disappear. 11. Not saying Bismillah before eating invites illness. 12. Eating excessively weakens the body and mind. 13. Wasting food removes barakah from sustenance. 14. Sleeping immediately after eating harms health. 15. Living in an unclean environment attracts disease. 16. Ignoring personal hygiene goes against Sunnah. 17. Leaving dishes dirty overnight invites negativity. Keeping garbage inside the house unnecessarily invites illness. 19. Not covering food at night allows harm, hadith. 20. Keeping toilets dirty reduces angels' presence. 21. Backbiting invites spiritual diseases and conflicts. 22. Spreading jealousy destroys peace in the home. 23. Harboring hatred weakens emotional and physical health. 24. Anger without control increases sickness. 25. Breaking promises removes trust and blessings. 26. Not giving zakat blocks financial flow. 27. Avoiding charity increases poverty. 28. Ignoring the poor hardens the heart. 29. Delaying debt repayment without reason invites hardship. 30. Being stingy removes Allah's generosity. 31. Music with immoral content darkens the heart. 32. Watching inappropriate content removes haya, modesty. 33. Allowing immoral behavior openly in the home removes angels. 34. Neglecting Islamic education weakens future generations. 35. Mocking religion invites divine displeasure. 36. Making jokes about sin normalizes destruction. 37. Using abusive language increases family conflict. 38. Shouting frequently creates stress-related illnesses. Cursing children affects their future negatively. 40. Not teaching children dua removes spiritual protection. 41. Sleeping excessively during the day reduces productivity. 42. Staying awake late without purpose weakens the body. 43. Ignoring sunnah sleeping habits harms health. 44. Not reciting Ayatul Kursi before sleep removes protection. 45. Leaving home without dua invites harm. 46. Not seeking halal work leads to stress and poverty. 47. Depending only on people instead of Allah causes anxiety. 48. Complaining constantly shows lack of trust in Allah. Ignoring morning and evening adhkar removes safety. 50. Forgetting istighfar blocks forgiveness and relief. 51. Oppressing others invites divine punishment. 52. Being unjust in family matters destroys peace. 53. Delaying marriage without reason increases fitna. 54. Treating spouse harshly removes love and barakah. 55. Not fulfilling spouse's rights invites stress and illness. 56. Neglecting elders weakens family unity. 57. Living beyond means invites debt and anxiety. 58. Showing off wealth removes humility and barakah. 59. Arrogance leads to downfall. 60. Mocking the poor removes mercy. 61. Ignoring Islamic inheritance laws causes family disputes. 62. Using interest, riba, destroys financial stability. 63. Taking bribes corrupts earnings. 64. Giving false testimony invites destruction. 65. Breaking trust removes peace. Not forgiving others increases mental illness. 67. Holding grudges damages the heart. 68. Ignoring neighbors' rights removes protection. 69. Not greeting with salam reduces love. 70. Isolation without remembrance increases depression. 71. Ignoring sunnah foods harms physical health. 72. Not fasting voluntarily weakens discipline. 73. Neglecting Ramadan lessons leads to spiritual loss. 74. Missing Jumu'ah repeatedly hardens the heart. 75. Lack of patience invites stress-related diseases. 76. Despairing from Allah's mercy leads to hopelessness. 77. Forgetting death leads to reckless living. Ignoring accountability leads to moral decay. 79. Neglecting dua cuts off divine help. 80. Relying only on material means weakens faith. 81. Not thanking Allah verbally reduces blessings. 82. Ignoring spiritual healing like ruqya causes imbalance. 83. Allowing constant negativity in the home drains energy. 84. Not remembering Allah while working removes productivity. 85. Pride in knowledge leads to ignorance. 86. Neglecting repentance keeps doors closed. 87. Avoiding masjid without reason weakens Iman. 88. Breaking oaths invites hardship. 89. Not controlling desires causes destruction. Chasing dunya while forgetting akhirah brings emptiness. Ignoring Allah's signs increases heedlessness. Mocking advice leads to regret. Refusing self-correction keeps problems permanent. Neglecting Islamic manners removes respect. Not teaching gratitude to children invites poverty cycles. Living without purpose creates mental illness. Ignoring time as a blessing leads to loss. Forgetting Allah in ease brings hardship. Not seeking halal solutions invites haram paths. Living without taqwa removes protection from illness and poverty. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our Global Mystery Nexus channel for more interesting and knowledgeable videos.